Prebivalce mesta Benton v zvezni državi Kentucky so včeraj zjutraj presenetili zvoki siren in preleti helikopterjev. Hitro je postalo jasno, da se je zgodila huda tragedija.
At 7:57 a.m. this morning, a 15-year-old male student walked into the school with a pistol in his hand, immediately opened fire, striking 14 people. There were a total of 19 injured, 14 suffered gunshot wounds. Of those 14, 2 are deceased. One died at the scene, 15-year-old female Bailey Nicole Holt.
V mestu, kjer živi komaj kaj več kot 1000 družin in kjer vsak pozna vsakega, se takšna tragedija ljudi še toliko bolj dotakne. Tisti, ki so se prvi odzvali na nesrečo, so naleteli na pretresljive prizore.
One of our first troopers to arrive on the scene saw the young lady that died there on the scene and thought it was his daughter, because she had been dropped off at the school this morning as well. Same clothing description, same description. And he had to go over to convince himself that that was not his daughter.
Policija o motivu 15-letnega napadalca še ne govori. Jasno ni niti, če je žrtve poznal.
There were a total of 6 transported to Vanderbilt Hospital. 1 died at the hospital. 15-year-old male Preston Ryan Cope, C-O-P-E. There are 5 still at the hospital in critical condition at Vanderbilt. There were a total of 19 injured. 5 of those were injured trying to escape the gunfire.
Tragedija je pretresla tudi zdravniško osebje bolnišnice Vanderbilt.
These are sad times for all of us. We received 5 patients today from the scene, all males, ranging in age from 15 to 18. We had 3 injuries to the gunshot wounds to the head. One did not survive, unfortunately. It was a traumatic injury that was not survivable to start with.
15-letni napadalec je sicer že v rokah policije.